Bearpark is thought to get its name from Bourg Repère, French for beautiful retreat, with Bourg Repère Priory nearby built in 1258 as a retirement residence and a retreat for the monks in later years. It was mainly a colliery village, with most living there employed at Bearpark Colliery. Bearpark Colliery was owned by Bearpark Coal Company. It was opened in 1872, with coal being retrieved in the same year. It worked the Busty and Hutton seam and had 3 shafts. It was used for coke, manufacturing and fireclay. At its peak in 1925, 1,367 people worked here, 1,049 below, 318 above. There were 71 fatalities at the pit, with 4 of them being 14-year-old boys. It was closed on the 7th of April 1984. The 38-hectare large wood was planted in 1995 on the site of the colliery.